Hey everyone, George Mont here. Wanted to share an example of something you can do with Copilot in Excel if you do have style guides. In specific, we'll look at data visualization. So this is just a PDF I pulled off the web from the Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative. What they seek to do is set up some standards for governance of oil, mineral resources, etc. And they've got a really nice style guide here, how to choose a chart, what do you want to show, and maybe you've seen chart choosers like this before. They get into what colors to use and when to use them, all sorts of good stuff here. So what I thought might be interesting is, can we use this as a knowledge source for Copilot in Excel? I'm going to close this and I'll share this data and the style guide with you. I am in Copilot. We do have edit mode configured here. There is going to be a button here to actually upload files that we want. So these files can be on your computer already. Let me see if I remember where I left mine. Let's see, Copilot demo files. And this is going to be right here. Okay, so here's the file. Now when this uploads, like it says, it's going to upload a copy to your OneDrive. That's going to be found in a folder called Copilot chat files. You can upload this other places. There is going to be a set of instructions that I left in this workbook as well. So we will use those. We're going to analyze this data, use the attached style guide. Okay, identify the goal, select the chart type, and then I've got some questions here. So the idea is that using the colors, using the style, using the chart preferences of that style guide, can we get good answers here from Copilot? We'll give this a try here. And finally, it looks like we are getting some step-by-step overview of what's happening. And last but not least, we do have an explanation here of what charts were chosen, why. I'll zoom out here, and most of these seem okay. They do seem to be following the guidelines at some level of the PDF in terms of color palettes and what kind of chart to use when. A lot of these values are hard-coded in here, which I don't love. The formulas for the numbers are live, but these are not. So this might be another place to add more instructions, come up with a robust modeling style guide. But cool to see that at least with an off-the-shelf instruction guide, data viz style guide, we were able to shape the instructions of how Copilot works here.